Testing in Misano came to a close on Wednesday, with the riders and teams having had 2 days to work on some new features for both this and next season's machines. The big news of the day was Moto2 championship leaders and Tech3 KTM bound duo Remy Gardner and Raul Fernandez making their eagerly awaited debuts on Motogp bikes, with the pair getting to complete close to 50 laps each on the RC16. Of the more established riders in the Austrian manufacturer's garage, Miguel Oliveira was spotted trying out a new and bigger front aero kit. The importance of these 2 days of testing for Honda were underlined by the presence of HRC President Shinya Wakabayashi, who was watching on as Paul Espargaro took the new 2022 bike out for some laps in the afternoon. He may well have been impressed by what he has seen, with the number 44 recording a 1:32.105 to end the test among the quickest riders, but not quite as fast as Taka Nakagami, with the Japanese rider taking P2 for the test. Inside the Repsol Honda garage, there were 6 different bikes, with Marc Marquez seen riding an RC213V with new wings and air intake during the day as well. It's been an intense 2 days for Honda in Misano, and we're only likely to see the value of what they've discovered at the beginning of next season. After testing out Suzuki's 2022 spec engine and electrical changes across the 2 days, Joan Mir and Alex Rins tried out a 2022 chassis with carbon bonded onto the main beam of the GSX-RR. With Joan Mir securing the 3rd fastest time over the 2 days, are these the improvements the Hamamatsu factory needs to become contenders again next season? It's been a very busy and impressive couple days for Aprilia, with Maverick Vinales completing even more laps on the RSGP and Aleix Espargaro ending the test as the quickest rider thanks to a 1:31.584. Over the 2 days, they tested some 2022 changes, including some new aero wings, although the feedback on those hasn't been entirely positive. After seeing an innovative front aero package on the Ducatis on Tuesday, Jack Miller tried a different aero system on the Desmos Edici on Wednesday. It was a tough day also for Enea Bastianini, who hit the deck at the final corner and left his team with considerable repair work to do on his machine. Yamaha continued testing their new chassis, while Andrea Dovizioso tried a new carbon swing arm on his bike, but the feeling there is it's too stiff. Franco Morbidelli had a rough time of things, crashing twice during the day, while Valentino Rossi signed off on his final ever MotoGP test. That's it from the official Misano test. The next time we see bikes on track, it will be for the Grand Prix of the Americas in a little over a week's time. And like always, you can stay up to date with all of the action on MotoGP.com.